Do you want to sell advertising on your YouTube channel directly to a brand? Something like a product placement, a shout out, or an endorsement? Well, I just learned about a kick-ass tool built by some of the top YouTube creators to help all YouTube creators know their true value. It's called Social Bluebook, and in this video, I'll show you how it works. So we're going to start out by going to Social Bluebook and creating an account. So you'll just add your email address here and create a password. Agree to the terms of service and click sign up. And then you're going to choose the platforms that you're working with. So I'm just going to go to YouTube, but you can add more. And there, it looks like there's more platforms to come. So let's just choose YouTube and then choose which account it's associated with. Allow it to access your account. And there we go. So now we have this nice little panel here which tells you what a video, what an uploaded video would be worth to a brand. And you can see a number of options here. So you can go from providing a link, actually putting the product in your video, giving them a shout out, or creating a custom brand integration. They're kind of in order of value here. So, you know, between $1 and $20 per video is what my channel is currently worth if I were to put something into one of my videos, and just gives you a little bit of those statistics. So if you're looking to work with a brand and wondering what your properties are worth, Social Bluebook is a great website to go and kind of give you an idea of what that's worth based on what other YouTubers are getting and what other brands are paying. So definitely check out socialbluebook.com. What an awesome tool. And this tool is owned and operated by YouTube creators to help all of us negotiate with brands. Very cool. If you agree that this is an awesome tool, give this video a thumbs up. Then head over to Social Bluebook and create an account. The more accounts they have, the better their data will be.